Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Nova 2 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with app. In the beginning, let's go to App Store or Google Store and download GameSir App. Next, open the app, allow Add Device and select GameSir Nova 2 Lite. Make sure that your device is connected with your smartphone via Bluetooth. As you can see, controller is connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.